Another way to send out a message or communicate with learners on the CreateLMS platform, in addition to the news feature, is this communications feature. As you can see, I don't have any communication right now. It is blank, but if there was one that I haven't read yet, you can go, it will actually show here as a number and prompt a learner to come look at their unread messages. You can also check your read messages as well. So let me show you how to send out this communication. In the administration panel, on the left side, you'll scroll down to the communication feature. You can resend out an existing one. All you simply do is either assign it to a user or a department, or you can go ahead and create a new one. If you want just a PDF communication, as you can see, just upload a desired document in a PDF form and send that out to users. You can do that, or you can come and create custom, and you can choose how you want that to look. So we're going to use a custom one for this example. Similar to the crafting a news message for the home page on the dashboard, you need to select how you want it to be laid out, in terms of you want a title on the left, picture on the right, title on the right, and picture on the left. So you can decide how you want that. If you just want it to be a picture or an upload, maybe a video message that you want to send out, this would be a perfect option. Or if you simply just want it to be text, this would be a wonderful option here. So depending on how you want that message to look, this is a way that you can build that out. So I'll just do text for this example here. Definitely come in and play with how you want to craft your messages. Go ahead and put a title in as well as content. Hit next. You can also in here add links if you want to send them to a particular link. You're welcome to do that and customize it how you'd like the message to look. Hit the next step. This is what it'll look like. Gives you a quick preview, and lastly, you can publish it. Once you publish it, here you can see it's working on it. Again, in the singular actions, you can assign it to users or departments. I'm going to quickly assign it to myself, and that way you can see what this looks like. So I go ahead and assigned it. Now when I come to my dashboard, you can see I have one communication here that's unread. It shows here on the left. I go ahead and click on that, and here it is. This is what we just made, the example. This is an example. Once I read it, I can mark it as read. Again, no longer on my unreads, but it will show on my read messages. And if I go back to my dashboard, you'll be able to see that I don't have any communication here. It has a 0. So once they read it, that will go away, and they won't have that ping telling them to go ahead and read a message. So communication is a very nice way to send direct messages out to individual users or potentially whole departments to get a message across that maybe you don't want to publish on the homepage of your platform. So again, communication tool is a great way to communicate across individual users or departments.